Trent Wilkinson, Evansville, Indiana. Start a new career, get out of the one that I'm currently in. It was educational, learned some terms that I didn't know before. It's a great way to learn different tips and tricks, especially from all the instructors. Some of them I didn't have a clue about, so yeah, it's positive. Yeah, absolutely.
Nick Thomas, I'm from here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I wanted to learn more about the industry, and when I found the website online, it answered every question and had everything I wanted to learn. Very informative. Answered a lot of good questions and kind of set some steps for me to start moving forward to. They were great. It's my preferred method of training. Hands-on experience is the way to do it. Yes.
Javaris Hewlett. I'm from St. Paul, Minnesota. Well, I began watching a lot of YouTube videos and really wanted to check it out and get some first-hand experience actually coming here and experiencing Detail King's training seminar. It was very enlightening. I didn't have very many questions after it was done. Any question that you might have, they're very thorough in answering for you, and the demonstration as well. It really prepares you for every aspect that you might face and how the products work, and it gave me a lot of insight on exactly what to use for going forward with my own career. Definitely would. Anybody that you would know should definitely check it out somehow.
I'm Jacqueline Meadows from Detroit, Michigan. Well, after doing research on other schools, I found Detail King to be very, very informative, very educational on mobile detailing, so this was my choice. I thought the business class was very informative. It was excellent. It broke it down for your social media. It broke it down to pay, cost, what to expect, and how much you could expect making as a mobile detailer. Hands-on training was 100% well, just very, very hands-on. I was a little apprehensive of using the polishers, but I did find one that felt comfortable in my small hands. So I was happy about that. And just learning the different compounds, the polishers and sealants, it was great. Great to know. Absolutely.
My name's Caleb Thorne. I'm from Charlottesville, Virginia. I really wanted to take my detailing and my quality of work to the next level, and I felt like Detail King was the best opportunity for me. I thought the business class was incredible. I learned so much. I've never taken that many notes before, even in high school, so that really excited me yesterday. The hands-on class was great. I definitely wanted to get a little bit more in depth in certain things, but I definitely learned a lot that I did not know before. Yes, sir, 100%.
Name's Nate. I'm from Walla Walla, Washington. Well, a wise man once told me, my dad, he said, the day you stop learning is the day you die. So I wanted to learn anything and everything I could about detailing and what there is to offer. It's very informative. It taught a lot of stuff that, that I could take home with me and actually use in the future as well. It's very thorough. They give you different techniques to use, different equipment to try, so you can take it home and decide what you want to buy, what you want to start up with. Most definitely.
Juan Lehman's from Princeton, New Jersey. I want to take my skills to the next level, learn a lot of new things, and get better. I thought it was very informative. There's a lot of things that I didn't know that I want to put into play when I get back. That was my favorite part. There's some things that I knew, but a lot of things that I didn't know. and a lot of things that I wasn't doing properly. Definitely.
I'm Angelo and I'm from New York. To invest in myself, to learn, to grow, to learn, the tricks of the trade. It was concise, straight to the point, transparent, very thorough, and it gives you a good insight on the real life situations. As you know, there's only so many YouTube videos you could watch, but when you actually do it and feel it and learn from the best, or the best in the industry, it's very helpful. Certainly, yes. If I do eventually want to go full blown and grow, if I look to hire people even and to work for the company, that'd be something you would go half and half or invest in and have your future employees and go through training, the same training you went through, so everyone's on the same page.
Corey Good, and I'm from the DMV. So I can get a kickoff to my business and be able to know all the parts and things I need to clean to have repeating customers. I liked it. It taught me a lot I need to go home and start working on.
Brian Truss, Warwick, Rhode Island. I think it's important to be certified in things that you do. If you're going to talk the talk, you got to walk the walk, and if you don't have certification, you can't do that. I come from a insurance background, so it's something you really need from the basics of just the vocabulary and knowing the industry talk all the way to the top. I think it was very well delivered and controlled. I enjoyed them. They were thorough. You have different trainers, so you have a variety of people to show you different skill sets and equipment, so it's very hands-on. I have employees that I have at my shop that I'm going to send here, so that's a yes.
I'm Howard from New York City. Learned some skills to incorporate into other ventures that I'm in. It was very informative. It made a lot of sense. It gives you the hands-on experience. Yes.
Anthony from the 757 part of Virginia. Well, I came in this weekend to learn more about the business aspect of the business. It helped me upgrade my services for my business and my location. It taught me some things that I didn't know. The hands-on, it'll help you if you already have a business of stuff that I didn't know, some stuff that I did know, and it will help me provide more services for my customers. Yes, I would. I met some interesting people in here that I'm going to build relationships with. I hope their business prosper. And I also will be coming back for to get my certification for ceramic coating.
My name is Stephon. I'm from Brooklyn. To learn the correct steps and procedures of detailing and to get certified. I think it taught me a lot that I didn't know. The hands-on was excellent, and I learned a lot of things I never knew and never thought about. Yes, I definitely would.